Black crystal to Red Falcon. Black crystal to Red Falcon.
Received!
The peacock is leaving the nest. He's getting ready to spread his wings.
Target set. Ready for takeoff.
In range in 3, 2, 1.
Abort mission! Dang it!
Meet POOPAIL, your answer to your dog's poopy surprises. The world's first 2-in-1 system to conveniently handle your dog's mess, scooping and storing at the same time. POOPAIL makes life easy. It even comes with its own bags. Simply place the bag inside the pail, detach the pail's magnetically attached scoop, target the fresh surprise, flick your wrist, and boom! Surprise captured. POOPAIL uses gravity and movement to automatically open and close its lid without you worrying about it. With the lid closed, no sun, no rain, not even a water sprinkler can damage the little treasured gems inside the pail. The good news for you? POOPAIL's ample storage puts no limits on your dog's pooping.
Why is life so complicated?
Shut up, Pooh.
We're gonna starve to death!
Enough complaining already.
Besides the standard size, POOPAIL also comes in a longer form to make your life even more comfortable. The long handle and the taller scoop mean you can collect poop without even bending over. Designed for your effortless use, POOPAIL is the most practical way to handle backyard dog poo. Not just easy, but also clean. No more smelly garbage cans, no more dirty hands or dirty gardens. Keep your dog's treasures for up to a week with no odor. POOPAIL's compactly closed lid keeps the delightful smell of your dog's cookies inside and only inside of the pail. POOPAIL not only saves you from the unpleasant smells, but helps to save planet Earth. POOPAIL's plant-based liner bag is both biodegradable and compostable. Do you know the best part? POOPAIL is not a short-term solution to your poopy problems. Due to its durability, it can last you more than 10 years.
10 years? We better get out of here!
Yeah, Poop. Goodbye, Poop. Forever.